Hello, this is an AI invoice app. It's used to scale but have verifiable information. It's using Google ADK. We have some demo documents available which you can use to look at the pipeline quickly. These are using ADK and subagents, but the initial data is parsed using AILANG parse, which is the deterministic document parser, without using AI so that when you really need the verifiable information, you can always verify exactly what data is being passed to each, things like that. Once you're in the pipeline, then we are using MCP apps to interact with the data and sending prompts and messages to the AI. It includes a way of auditing the line items and company and what payment orders they have available in the database. This is calling vertex search in the background and giving some details once the AI has received the information, which it uses to influence its decision on whether to approve or kick up the invoice to be reviewed. Files can be uploaded and are also importable via Google buckets, Google storage buckets. We are storing sessions in the ADK Vertex Engine agent engine, and in the bucket there are various formats that are usually not supported, but AILANG parse can process very quickly. These are all available via skills. In ADK, it's using and you can alter the business logic very easily by updating the skill, which will then use all the tools that are available